Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to start making money on Wise. And this way you can start a new side income. So yeah guys, before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all, just open up your internet browser and go to google.com, and then just type in Wise affiliate program like this, and then just click on the first link right here, and here you just have to join the affiliate program on Wise website. So basically you just become the affiliate, and then you can just promote Wise, so you can recommend Wise to your audience however you want, and this way you can like earn commissions when they sign up using your links and everything. So yeah guys, this is how you can make money on Wise. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is just join the affiliate program by clicking on join the affiliate program, and then you just have to like go through these simple steps, and once you are accepted in the affiliate program, you can just start promoting wise.com, and when people like sign up using your links, you will earn money. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. This is how you earn money on Wise. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.